What is computer science? Computer science is the study of computing and its applications, including the theory, design, development, and analysis of software, hardware, and algorithms. It involves understanding how computers work, how they can be programmed to perform various tasks, and how they can be used to solve real-world problems. Computer science encompasses a wide range of topics, including programming languages, data structures, algorithms, computer architecture, databases, artificial intelligence, computer graphics, and more. Computer scientists use their knowledge and skills to create new software and hardware technologies that can help solve complex problems, improve efficiency, and enhance communication. They work in a variety of fields, including technology, business, healthcare, education, and more, and are in high demand due to the increasing reliance on technology in our modern world.